Hello, my name is Brad with Renovation Flooring, and we're here today in our Miramar Beach showroom location. I just wanted to highlight a new product that we just got in and started carrying. The name of this product is AquaShield, and it is distributed and made by Diamond Surfaces. This certain product here is a stone polymer core LVP. It has a 20 mil wear layer. The planks on this product are 7 inches wide by 48 inches long. The product itself is overall 5.2 millimeters thick, so it's not a very thin product, and it's not a very thick product, but it's a LVP that sits right there in between on thickness. It does have a ceramic bead technology on the wear layer, which is the very top of the product. And that ceramic bead wear layer also makes the properties of this flooring antimicrobial on the surface. So no bacteria, no mold and things like that. No sicknesses will stick to the surface and get contracted to other people. This has a 30-year limited residential warranty, and it also has a 5-year commercial warranty. If you have any other questions about the AquaShield line, they have several other products that are a little bit higher tiered, and we also have a wood line that is made by these distributors. If you'd like to know more about any of these products, please feel free to visit us in our showroom. You can ask for Brad, and I'd be more than happy to educate you on all the other ones.